introduce myself. My name is Arya Prasasta. So for today, I explain you about science matter about optics. Optics, there is many kinds. Like our eyes, camera, mirror, or there is a kind of optic that we should know. The eyes has the same function like a camera, so we just to talk about mirror and lens. So in the mirror or lens, there is a two type. There is a concave mirror and convex mirror. Also, lens a concave lens and convex lens. Okay, we decide by it soon. Okay, there is a 2 point here. This is the distance of object, and this is the focus of the mirror or lens. Okay, let's see. Let me just change my yeah. When there's object here, the focus length will expect the light here and show the image. So we can show here there is a type of the mirror. Every lens or it has a different focus point. So and on what mirror has a concave and convex. And each type has a different focal length. So to determine it, you must know the difference of it. For concave mirror, the focus point is positive, always positive, no independent function. And for a convex, the focus point must be negative. So to determine it, we must to know about these two types. Also, there is the impact of the lens, but has a difference. If the lens, the focus point is negative, but the convex is positive. Okay. Get it next. For the mirror, there is an interesting formula that you must know. If there is a two plane mirrors and make a side and you put the object in the middle of the pan, it make the image that result by the mirror is many. For example, this is a plane. It is the mirror 1. And this is the mirror 2, and this is the object. The object in the mirror will spreading around this corner and make look like a loop. So we can make it by this formula. Hence equals 360 alpha main 1. We can determine it using this formula. Well, how it kind of works? Good. For example, Rudy put two plane mirror and he set they adjust the degree to 120. So can you see it? And It means the image, the result from the image, from the 316 per the value of the degree, 120 of the angle, 120 minus 1. So we know the value is 3 minus 1, okay, 2. So the image that resulted by rounded by Meyer is 2 images. But in the optic, we have known about the convex mirror and lens mirror. Okay. To determine there is a unit number dioptry for the mirror and lens. So we can determine using this formula. This is the formula. 1 per f, which means this is the focal point. S, this is the distance with objects. F is the point of image. And we know the dioptry or the power of the lens or mirror. Okay. Example, there is a convex mirror that has they put object in the front of convex mirror, and they ask about the S-axis, which means the result image. So this is easily to determine it. The focal point, the focus point is 20 centimeters, and the distributed object is 13. Okay. We can find it using this formula. Okay. 1 per f dengan 1 per s plus 1 per s essence. You can see, and 1 per the focal point is 20, put the 20 here, and the distance of the object is 13. For the 13. Here. So how to determine it? We can use high common factorizations or HCF here, because this is a convex lens, which means the focal point is positive. But if the question asks about convex lens, concave lens, then the focal point must be negative. Okay, can determine right now. This is the value is this 20, and this is 30. To determine it, we must change the rate here and here. Which means 1 per s cents. It equals 1 per 20 minus 1 per 30. We know the HCF. Maybe this is a 16. Okay. Make 3 minus 2 per 16, which means 1 per 16. You can see 1 per 16. Then we move here. If they ask about S-axis, so we must refer to positions like this. Which means the dioptry is 60. There also has a new formula named magnifications. Magnifications is like example, you open a camera and you zoom in. This is the magnification of image. This also can be implemented to the optic like this formula. Sorry. Or you can use this. can use this formula to determine the magnification of the image. So, example, as this is the list of the objects, I access the image that is resulted by the objects like this. This is the expression like our jadi main cara supaya out as usually the 13 as 16. Okay, if the result is minus, you check there's eternal sign. So with the eternal sign must be positive, not negative. 13, 16, jadi 0%. Yeah, 0.2 times. The unit for the magnification is times. Like you when you zoom your phones, this means there is a magnification of the image. That things, yeah. Maybe this the one for me. Yeah. Maybe I'm sorry if I put wrong pronunciations. Sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.